Welcome students. Hello students, I am Tapan sir of Deepworld School going to teach about operators in Java, and in this video we will discuss about binary operators. In this video we will cover arithmetic operators, use of plus in string operations, assignment operators, sort and relational operators, and logical operators. What is arithmetic operators? These operators are applied to perform arithmetic calculation in a program, so these are known as arithmetic operators. These are also known as binary operators because they need two operands for the operations. Types of arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator or modular division operator. Now we will discuss with an example. In this program, I have used all these arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiply, division, and modular division. See, if you run this program, the output will come like this: 15, 5, 50, 2, and 0. And these are the links. So a plus b means 10 plus 5, 15, and a minus b, 10 minus 5, 5. Then a into b or multiply b, that is 10 into 5, 50. Then 10 division 5, that is 2. Then 10 modulus b, that is 0, that is gives the remainder. Then plus used in string. If the plus sign is used in string, it is treated as a concatenate operator, means it joins two strings. Whereas the plus sign is used in number, it add two numbers give the result. You see, some examples are given here. 5 plus 6, which is given in the double quotation mark. These two are treated as string literals. When you use plus sign, that concatenates and join, and the answer will come 56. Like this, when you use 20 within double quote plus and sector 1, the answer will come like this. Okay, then ABC plus like this, 1, 2, 3, it will come like this. 5 plus XYZ in double quote, 5 XYZ. So you see here, I note 1 is there. I written here 5 plus 5 is a number, plus XYZ is a string. So when 5 plus XYZ is given, that integer value automatically converted into string and join into the XYZ. Understood? Then we come to the assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. It is a left to right associativity, means the left value will store in the right hand side of the variable. And remember, the third point is that when we are going to store a variable in another variable, the variable must be declared, which is defined in the right hand side. You come to the next slide, you will know about the how this assignment operator is used. The assignment operator has three formats: variable equal to value, variable equal to variable, variable equal to expression. These three I explain with three examples: example 1, example 2, and example 3. You see the example 1, int a equal 10. That means a is the variable and 10 is the value. You see the example 2, int a equal 10 and int b equal to a, means you are storing value of a in b. So the value of b equal to 10. You see the third example, int a equal 10, int b equal 20, and int c equal to a plus b. You see the third line, int c equal to a plus b, that means variable equal to expression. So the value of c equal to 30. So how it is coming 30? The value of a equal to 10 plus value of b equal to 20. These two will add, that comes 30, and that will store in the c. Then I come to the sort and operator. You see here one example I given here, a equal to a plus 5 can be written a plus equal to 5. So this plus equal to is known as sort and operator, or you can say compound assignment operator. These are the other symbols I given in the red color: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, division equal to, modular division equal to. These are known as sort and operators. Then what is relation operator? These operators are used to compare or make a relation between two operands and return true or false, and its data type is Boolean. You see the types of relation operators: less than equal to, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to. You see one example I have given here by using all these operators, relation operators. See what is the out of this here? This is false, true, true, false, true, false. So these are the answers of each. So A equal to B means value of A equal to 40, value of B equal to 30. A equal to B, no, it is false. Like this, A not equal to B, yes, 40 is not equal to B. So that's right, true. Like this development, you just go through that. Then you come to the logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine the several conditions. These operators operate on Boolean values to create a new Boolean value. There are three types of relation logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. And these are the truth table of logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. In logical AND, what happened? All conditions are true, it return true, otherwise written false. Whereas in logical OR operator, if any one is true, it return true. If all are false, it return false. In logical NOT, it negates, means give the negative result of Boolean expression. If the Boolean expression is coming true, so it return false. If it is coming false, it return true. So we will check all these conditions in the next page. You see the next page here. What is that? Int A equal to 10, B equal to 5, C equal to 20. You see the result. False, true, true. Why it is coming false? Because A greater than B. So 10 greater than 5. Yes, true. C greater than B. That is false. So true, false, it comes false because it is AND operator is used. Like the second print statement, A less than B. That is false. C greater than A. That is true. False, true, but it is used OR operator, so that's why it is coming true. Then you come to the third example, A less than B. That is false. That is false. But before that I use logical NOT, which convert that false into true. Clear?